Hello, welcome on Ladder. Today we'll see nested conditions. As its name indicates, we can nest one condition with another. Here is the flowchart of nested logic. I have used here if inside if. So I am checking an integer x. If that is greater than 0, if that is a yes, it will print x is positive, and I nest one more if inside this if. So if x is less than 10, print x is a single digit number. This will go in this block only when this condition is possible. If x is greater than 0, then and then only it will enter in this branch. But what if x is not greater than 0, then it will go to this side no, and it will print x is negative. You can have syntax of it. See, I have entered the value of x. If x is greater than 0, x is positive number. If less than 10, single digit, and else x is negative. You have to take care of indentation while running Python code. If you see, my nested if is inside this big if loop, and the else part is completely outside that if. Let's run this code. Let me try for 3 conditions, all the possibilities of x. I have x12. See, 12 is a positive number. Let's check another value of x, which is less than 10, 7. So it will print 7 is positive because it will go in the first if and then again this second if. Let me check for negative value of x. Minus 23. See, minus 23 is the negative number.